Introducing a revolutionary audio experience. GADOL Vibrational Speaker. GADOL is a high-quality vibration speaker that uses vibration sound transfer technology to deliver a unique sensory experience. GADOL's vibrations resonate deeply within your body, offering a rich auditory experience like never before. Place GADOL on any surface, and it transforms the surface into a large resonant chamber, delivering powerful vibrations along with sound. This creates a spacious, immersive sound environment from a surface source, unlike a point or line source. GADOL sound waves radiating in all directions transform any space, making it perfect for all activities, from relaxing at home to hosting party gatherings. Featuring 360-degree omnidirectional sound technology, GADOL provides an immersive audio experience from every direction. Sound is evenly distributed throughout the room, allowing you to enjoy consistent, high-quality audio no matter where you are. Designed with full-range vibration speaker unit, GADOL delivers the entire sound spectrum with remarkable clarity and rich bass. The full-range vibration unit creates a balanced, immersive sound profile with crisp highs and rich lows, bringing your audio to life. Whether gaming or enjoying a home theater, GADOL's full-range speaker delivers a complete audio experience, filling the room with rich, immersive sound. GADOL's vibration sound transfer technology offers a customized, immersive sound experience. Placing the speaker on different surfaces, such as wooden tables, glass, or MDF shelves, allows you to experience various sound effects as each surface creates unique tones. Enjoy diverse acoustic experiences, as if using different musical instruments, for a rich and dynamic auditory journey that suits any environment. Depending on the occasion, GADOL will energize your gathering with rich sound, or when you need to relax, as it sends gentle vibrations throughout your body to create a calming environment. Feel the sound and experience innovative vibrational audio, a revolutionary audio experience. GADOL.